Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today on Will It Fit, we're going to be looking at a 2018 Dodge Ram 3500 or 2500 with a 2-inch level on the front with some 20 by 12 negative 44 millimeter offset wheels and a 35-inch tire. So we'll just start right from the front. You will need to trim your front valence just a little bit. Typically it's squared off, you just have to angle it down to make the tire clear, and then you'll also need to take out some of your inner fender on the front portion of the bumper. After you do that, it clears in the front like a piece of cake. Then we start moving to the rear, and you'll need to trim a little bit. If your truck comes equipped with a factory flare, you'll need to trim just a little bit of this flare, and then you'll trim your inner fender as well. And then also, it starts to come in contact with your body seam. Now, if you're a dealer and you're selling it at an auction, you cannot cut this body seam because it will be tagged as frame. Or customers, retail, if this is your personal truck, you probably don't want to cut it either, because if you sell it, they'll try to knock you on the price. So what we recommend doing is just simply taking the body seam and just bending it. So you can take a hammer, you can take some body working tools, you can go buy at Harbor Freight, and taking the body seam and just rolling it over and rolling it towards the inside, and you can still keep that seam. And besides that, it'll fit these 20 by 12s and 35s like a piece of cake. Now it is a close fit. You're not going to be able to have a hard right hand turn and hit a massive pothole in the mud, but going down the road, pulling in and out of driveways, it'll be just fine. Just make sure when you're off-roading, you don't have a hard cranked right or left hand turn while hitting jumps. So my name is Michael with Central Alps. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot us an email, leave us a comment, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.